Analog guys, Joe Biden here. I'm nice to see you guys. This video, I'm going to show you how to clone any voice you want.
Okay guys, so that was pretty clear in my opinion. Let's start with the video.
Okay, so let's go. We're going to go in our TTS generation web UI, okay, and start linux.sh. If you don't know how to do this, click here and watch my other YouTube video. So here we're going to use generation bark and bark voice clone, okay. The first thing we're going to do is clone a voice. So how do we do this? I want to clone Joe Biden's voice, so I'm going to just search Joe Biden speech and take one video. We're going to copy this link and go to this site. This site is an online editing tool, so I don't have to download the video. I just have to copy the link, create a new project, and paste the YouTube link here. It will automatically put the video. Okay, now what you want to do is only take about 10 or 15 seconds of Joe Biden speaking without being interrupted, with a clear voice and preferably an entire sentence. And once you've done this, you just have to export it to MP3. To do this, you're going to go export project. You're going to land there, select MP3, export. Then you're going to go in recent exports, wait a bit, and then download. Once you have this file, I'm just going to rename it Joe Biden. Now we're going to go on Adobe Podcast and just drop this file here. All the links will be in the description. Once it's done, we're going to download it. We have it there. We can listen to it. It will be much clearer. Okay, so now back to our web UI. We will just drop this file here, and you can use the GPU. It's better if you take this case, and we're going to generate. Now that it's done, go to the main directory, go to voices, and as you can see, we have test clone voice here. I'm just going to rename it JB, Joe Biden, and now go to generation bark. Here we can see multiple settings. We have empty history, or use a voice, or use all generation as history. This is quite useless. You won't ever need it. If you don't want to clone a voice, you can use a voice. So you have multiple languages here. You can also select the speaker's ID. It's up to you to choose, personal preference. But we are going to use old generation as history. We have this. We have to reload it. Nice. We click and now we select voices/JB. Perfect. Now, here we have the text temperature and the waveform. What I like to do is up a bit the text temperature and leave the waveform as it. But you can change the settings, and if you find something great, let me know in the comment. Here we are going to use short prompts, okay? You can split prompts by lines if you have a really long text, but here I only want to do 15 seconds or less. And for those three options here, what I like to do is use history prompt settings. Why? Because old generation is when you generate a voice, it will no longer take this voice as an input, but the one you generated. So I don't want this. Clear history is no history. So yeah, we're going to use history prompt as setting. Here in our prompt, I'm going to write this with a little laugh at the end. There are multiple commands like this, so be sure to check the link in the description. And once it's done, you can generate one voice, two voices, up to 9. I'll generate 2, for example.
Hello, guys. Joe Biden here. Let's see, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone any voice you want. Hello, guys. Joe Biden here. Nice to see you guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone any voice you want.
Okay, so that one was quite nice. Okay, so you can add it or save it to your favorites. You click here, and where is your favorites? Just go there. Okay, you have your favorites folder, and you can see everything you want.